First thing we want to do is remove our seat and both side covers. That's going to give us access to the oil filter and the dipstick. Now we'll take an 18mm socket and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. Once you get the bolt out, check the crush washer and inspect it for any damage. If you see any possible damage, you'll want to go ahead and replace it. Now we'll reinstall the drain bolt, but this time we'll torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now, using an 8mm, we'll go ahead and remove the 3 bolts holding the oil filter cap in place. We'll go ahead and snatch the oil filter out and check our spring. Make sure you reinstall it the way it came back in. And the oil filter is a directional oil filter, and it's actually stamped out on the filter. That's how you want to put it back in. Make sure you do that, because if you don't, it won't flow oil properly through the system. And we'll just snug the bolts back down. You don't want to over tighten them here. Now we'll go ahead and remove the dipstick and fill the unit with oil. Honda states that this unit holds right at 3 quarts, 2.95 to be exact, of Honda 10W30 Gen 4. Remove our funnel, reinstall our dipstick, and now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil pumping and circulating through the system. Once we've let it idle for a few moments, we'll go ahead and shut it down and let it sit for a few more minutes. That way we can get an accurate oil level reading. Now we'll go ahead and remove our dipstick, wipe off the excess oil, and just sit it on top of the crankcase. Don't thread it in. Set it on top, pull it out, and our oil level looks great. So let's go ahead and thread it back in, put all our side plastics back on and our seat, and then hit the trail.